Right then, I had somewhat of a sort out. There's that nice bit of cord I got earlier. Look at that. Nice. That weird cup and some little bits and pieces. I've got them tubs up here, so I need to take them in. And I've had a good sort out. Hello. In the van. No, them toolboxes coming in. I'm actually going to get rid of that one, keep that one. Dolly, she's have to ride at the back. And there's some really bad bulks that I picked up, that bit of framework. And an assortment of goodies up the front. Including a skateboard. With light up wheels. That's got to go in my little skateboard collection. I think I've got 3 now. Yeah, it's all going on. Box of goodies here. Stainless, aluminium, Guitar Heroes, you name it, it's in there. Right, let's see if we can fill this up before 11:30. Well, I doubt it. There's a little score there. Stick the lump up, shall we? Shut up, man. Some scrappy bits, alright. Dolly's getting in the way as usual. There. Good little score there. Good times. Over here, I see a bit of metal, see a little bit of scrappy bit. Wow. And a stainless steel knife. Nice. Oh well. Cleans up the streets a bit, that. Metal, plastic. Bit of metal. And more of that. Getting proper foxy now. Oh, that's it. Oh, got something. So over here. Oh, ceramic tiles. It's going to be a battery then. It's wishful thinking. I'll even take rust. I'll take anything. Because I'll clean these streets up. One street at a time. get in. That scooter's been there a couple of days. Yeah, I'd say that's scrap. It's been there a while now. Not even gonna bother trying. Bit valley, or is it? Irony alley, if anything, or as I like to call it, like iron. So it's going to be an electric heater day today then. Weird how it goes like that. Take electric heaters all day. That was the chair squeaking, not my butthole. A few more little scrappy bits. Where's the oven? Where's the oven to go with it? Sure, I saw a microwave or something here. It wasn't, it was a bucket. It was a bloody bucket. How the hell did my brain think that was a microwave? I mean, seriously? Think. So just a folded up pushchair. That's by the bin. Take the pushchair by the bin. If it's right next to the bin, I don't mind taking the pushchair. And it was pretty beat up, that one. So. But if that was your pushchair and I just accidentally stole it, I apologise. Oh, a tail, a vision. Shock, shock, horror. Free to record on it, scrap reel. Cord's already cut. We got some goodies here, look. PC. Yes. Yeah. You take it all. And leave nothing. PC there. Oh, should have a CPU still in it. Hard drive's out. Nice bits of cord. Oh, there's some good stuff in there. Take that. No way they're stainless, is it? Oh, where's my magnets? Don't think so. Tell you what, we might not be getting much big stuff. We're getting a heck of a lot of little stuff though. I don't mind small stuff. It all adds up. Well, you guys can't see, but we are in Death Stare Alley. Let's hope we don't bump into an old lady who looks like she wants to mess us up. The last time I was here, I put a bed frame in the van and then put it back down again. Oh, would you look at that? Another heater. Oh, we've got some nice little bits here. Let's have a little bit. It's a storage heater type of day. Good times. Look, Dolly's getting buried in, as usual. Watch it with that stuff, that'll cut you in half. Any other goodies for Vandal? That'd be a no then. Look at that, she's filling up. Well, I think my battery might be just about to run out. Is it? Don't know, I can't see. So I'm going to end it here just in case. But if I've got enough battery charge, I'll see what I can record on the way home. I think we're done. Better enough. That one's on there tough, but I'll get it. Not sure if it's stainless or not. I'll take a little bit. Alright mate, you're right. Scrapping this up. Busted.
You guys can't see nothing. You're not missing much. Let's get the cordage. Oh, let's get the drill. Get it out. Let's get that out of there. Oh, branch, get off me. This is heavy. Branch keeps attacking me. Question is, yes. Oh yes. It's good times like that. Well, whoever it was who said I should have got that, because it could be stainless, I was wrong and you were right again, as usual. But luckily, it was there. Yeah. This here looks very interesting. Oh, I thought it was copper pipe, it's not. Damn it. Copper, but it's not. What's it got? Oh yeah, bit 2.5. See that? Some of it's already stripped. Bit M&M. What's it got? All adds up and all that jazz, doesn't it? I already stripped it. Oh, flipping beauty. You're going up front. What goodies we got in here? Any more copper? Oh, is that an aluminium step? Let's get this out without making a mess. this was made. That was a good little score. Some old Christmas light action with some cord action going on. I'll take it. All these smalls are all adding up. It's true, it really does add up. I'll take smalls all day. Alright, I'm going to make my way home. I'm going to pop in, use the bathroom, and then we're going to get weighed and paid before 11:30 because I want this stuff out of the van. There ain't going to be much. Hopefully there's about 30 quids in here. If I can get £30, that's British pounds, not pound weight, that'd be really good. So I'll see you at the scrapyard, unless we find anything else. Got the scrappy bits here. There's a go-kart over there, but I don't know if it's scrap or not. We've got the battery. Oh. Yes. Bloody door. I don't take Hoovers, they're just annoying. Got to do my outro. I went in with 9 kilos of stainless altogether, £800 a tonne for £7.20, and light iron I had 180 kilograms, £120 a tonne, £21.60. It's giving me a final sum of £28 and 80p. That's not too bad for a little run around. Little run around this morning. Just slapped myself on the leg. Time me on now. It's 11:15, but I've had lunch, well, brunch and everything since then. I had breakfast twice today. So yeah, I was at the scrapyard about half hour, 45 minutes ago. And yeah, I mean, it was still a good 5-6 hours. Wow, was that how long I was out for? So yeah, £5 an hour, minus fuel. Not great, but it's better than being stuck at home all day, which is where I'm going now. I don't know if I'll be out tonight or not. I haven't decided, but I'll definitely be out on Sunday morning. See you guys later. Have a good one. Home. Whee!